There is no question that the Newmar New Aire is the nicest 36 diesel pusher motorhome on the market. And today we're here at RV Select, where they've got two late model New Aires with low miles priced for less than half price of what they would be brand new. And every time we're here with Jared at RV Select, we're always finding you guys the best deals. I know you guys are a huge fan of Newmar product here, but what's going on with these coaches?
Yeah, so we got two of the exact same floor plans. We have two 22 New Aires, the 3545. One's got a little over 20,000 miles, one's got a little bit less. We're gonna price them the exact same for $315,500.
And some of the New Aires are over $700,000, and these are the 450 horsepower side radiator New Aires. Some of the earlier years they had 380 and 360 Cummins. Those are going to be priced significantly less, but this is going to have bonded windows, all kinds of features that separates it from other Class A's at this same length. Can we take the folks on a tour inside of these coaches?
Absolutely. Wait till you see the colors of these coaches.
Yeah, now this first one has a beautiful exterior. It's almost like an aqua kind of color, and in the sunlight it's going to show differently with the white and black. This kind of reminds me of the clear waters here in Florida. When you come by your coach here at RV Select, I recommend visiting one of the local beaches here. Some of the best beaches in the world not far from RV Select here. These are bonded windows, so a lot of the other coaches at this price point are not going to be bonded windows. They're going to have frames. Then we've got the Girard awnings with LED lights underneath them. You'll also notice this is a window that opens up, a pretty large window. I'll double check when we get on the inside. That may be an emergency egress window. And then on the other side, it's going to have an emergency egress door. And you can see here, this is the other 22 New Aire next door that does have that emergency egress door. But this color combination has another, more of a mineral green with the silver black. A really good looking exterior. And again, you see those bonded windows. This reminds me of like the Prevost buses, the way that these windows wrap around right here. These are built to a whole different level above any other coach at this range. We'll take a quick look through these bays before we go inside. It's going to be very rare to see this Dometic cooler in a 36-foot coach. This is the CFX super high-end cooler on a manual slide tray. And then bay 2 is going to have a full pass-through bay with a power storage tray. Now, being a 36-foot coach, this is a little bit more narrow bay than we see in the big 45-foot coaches, but the maneuverability and the drivability is going to be where this coach really shines. Now, I like these large, wide kind of barn-style doors, and you're going to have power slide trays on both sides, so really a ton of storage capacity for a 36-foot coach. And then it's going to be easy to access all of this even when the slide rooms are out. We've got extra floor tiles here, extra dinette chairs. There's going to be an outside entertainment area up. That's locked right now, but that'll open up. You've got a TV with a sound bar. This does have a 90-gallon diesel fuel tank. Here we've got more storage with some of the control modules mounted on this wall, and everything's going to be very well lit in your Newmar bays. You can see more storage back here, and then we're going to have side access to our chassis batteries, the air dryer filter, and the fuel water separator. And I'm seeing date codes of October of 2025, September of 24 here. It's another fuel filter up here with a October of 25 date code. So showing that it was getting some engine service done. I like to see that, telling a story of an owner that's caring for their coach. Spartan K2 chassis. This is going to have a 15,000 pound towing capacity, way bigger towing capacity than you're going to find in other coaches of this same length, and a really sexy looking rear end there. And here we've got the sunlight popping on this side a little bit more, so you can see a little bit more of that paint job. But let's go through the bays on this other New Aire. Side radiator here. This is going to be our DEF fill. Here we have our plumbing bay with a macerator system. All the high-end stuff like you would see in a more luxury motorhome, a much more high-end outside shower. We've got our tank rinses and outside water tap. There's a screen right here to monitor our tank levels. And here we have the Oasis hydronic heating system, our cord reel for our 50 amp shore cord. Here's the other side of the storage bay. You can see the inverter is mounted on the wall there. And then the house battery bank is up front. Then you'll notice the collision avoidance system up front here. That's the Mobileye there. And then you'll also notice cameras as we go around the coach. But let's take a closer look inside. This is the 3545 floor plan. You can see the indirect lighting in the stairwell here. We've got storage compartments. We've got a code entry and a doorbell. There's a screen if you want to just get some fresh air and keep the bugs out. I love the feel of the interior of this coach. The lighting is very modern. It reminds me of like a Florida feel to this coach. Now these are all heated tile floors. There's no carpets. We've got the theater seating over here, and then there's going to be a TV on a televator. But if we can flip around, we've got these huge screens up front here. You can see how bright all of the colors are and how easy and ergonomic. And then, you know, these captain's chairs up front, we can actually spin these around very easily. There's just one lever, and then that'll spin around. And I love the look of the inlay here with the white, with the straight lines, with the two-tone. And then when we spin both of these around, it really just adds to a nice living area. Really nice, versatile use of the space, still in that shorter footprint. And, you know, the drivability of this is gonna be the huge benefit of it. You know, all of the different places you can go that you can't in a 45-foot motorhome. But when we're hanging out here, I mean, this is an extremely comfortable sitting area. I don't know how much more room you would need for, you know, 6 people. Everyone would be comfortable in this coach. Now, this is on the Spartan K2 chassis. You can see we've got the key fob here where we can unlock and lock the entry door as well as the bay doors. It's all push button start. You've got your wireless charging here. When you're going down the road, you can just set your phone right here, and that's charging even with my case. I've got the OtterBox that some chargers don't charge through the case, but we've got 2 cup holders over here, our HWH leveling system, the gear selector for the Allison transmission, super easy switches here for the big patio awnings outside, our slide room controls, privacy shades, door awnings, all of that good stuff. All conveniently located. There's our own owner's manuals above the driver's console, and then more storage up here as well. Then you've got a large storage area in front of your passenger, and then just nice use of all of this space here. We've got all power shades for those huge windows, and I like the way the cabinets kind of recess back here to give us a little more headroom in the slide area. All super clean cabinets here. You're also going to have some good storage in between your recliners. We've got cup holders, super comfortable. And then I like the style of the seats that they use for the dinette chairs. A very modern, cool, comfortable chair. You know, you could definitely, you know, sit in this chair for a long time and it doesn't feel awkward at all. And then we can extend this out as well. We saw those extra dinette chairs down in the bays, and then there's a leaf that goes here as well. We've got a sound bar overhead here, and then a little bit of storage above large windows around your dinette area. We have a nice art cabinet back here, all very well lit with glass shelving, and then more pantry storage below it that can be accessed from both sides. It does have central vac here, so we can sweep everything up, kick that up. It's gonna vacuum up, make cleaning super easy. Now coming over here to the galley, really like the color of these cabinets. You're gonna notice indirect lighting glowing kind of above the cabinets. It gives them that kind of floating look. And then it does have a vent with a fan with the cover that matches the cabinets. We do have a dishwasher, a large drawer space, and our silverware dividers here, and a decent amount of storage. It's going to have all dovetail construction, and the gross vehicle weight of this coach is 38,600 pounds. So they always put that here in the galley cabinet. And then there's going to be a little bit of storage below the sink, as well as a spot for a trash receptacle that pulls out. And then actually I missed this, but really large pantry behind the art cabinet. And I like these drawers because you've got to unlock them, so you can push it in, you can see it locked into place, and now I can pull on that. It's not going to open when you make a hard left turn, but you push it in and then it will release. Again, all dovetail construction, all very well lit, some good storage there in the middle of the coach. And then we've got these touch panels that we're going to see around the coach where we can control, you know, shade systems, the window awnings. And then over here we've got more stuff like the floor heat. We can monitor AC, DC, climate control, you know, generator, monitor our tank levels, all of that good stuff. And then as we come into the bathroom here, it does have a manual pocket door. It's gonna have a nice inlay, and then we have a full-length mirror here on the bathroom side. There is an emergency egress door if you do need to get out in case of an emergency. That's huge. Also for loading and unloading, a lot of people just putting stuff into the back bedroom. It's much more convenient than going through the front door. And there's such nice design cues in this coach, the way this art sink ties in with the backsplash. You've got that backlit mirror, the same cabinets like we saw in the galley. Really good amount of storage here, as well as more storage below the countertop, and then beautiful mosaic tile work with a teak seat. And I really like the design of the tiles in the shower. And I'm 6'2", I'll walk in here to give you guys a shower test. I could still, comfortably take a shower in here. We've got our shampoo, conditioner, and body wash dispensers on the side. We can tilt that up if you want to get a little more room in here, and it's got that hidden drain and a grab handle as well. Now these are high gloss tile floors. I want to give some feedback. I would make sure I have a good floor rug in here. I bet you these get a little bit slippery when you're walking out of the shower, so just a little bit of feedback that I have, a little advice for the future owners of this coach. I'd have a real nice rug in there. But here we have a Samsung residential refrigerator, and then we can section off our rear suite. It's got a very high-end inlay on the pocket door. And one of my favorite parts about the new Aire is the cathedral ceilings here in the rear bedroom. And again, a really cool ceiling design there with that indirect lighting. You've got a fixed Samsung TV, and I like the way they have multi-levels of storage here. So you're gonna have a lot of drawer storage, and then even a spot to sit down. And then the drawers below that are gonna be even deeper. So really good utilization of space. Then you're gonna have storage on both sides of the TV there. And then in the corner back here, we have the stackable Splendid washer and dryer. And then there's a very high-end inlay going into the rear closet where it's very well lit. There's a safe hidden back there, shoe cubbies. You've got a little box here for your breaker panel. And I just want to point out how nice these sconce lights are here. The designers at Newmar are just second to none in the production motorhome industry. You've got a really cool headboard back there. And even though I'm stepping, there is a little, step up back here because we've got that big 450 horsepower Cummins diesel motor. So there's a little step up, but with the cathedral ceilings back here, even when I'm on the engine hatch, I don't feel like I have to worry about hitting my head. These are super clean new Aires here. A great opportunity for someone. Now, how much money do you need for these?
These are $315,500, and again, they're both 2022 3545 floor plans.
Now, if someone has a trade-in or they need to get financing, can you guys help with that here at RV Select?
Yeah, absolutely, Andrew. Like we say in every video, we'll take anything from airplanes to choo-choo trains on trade. We actually took a couple boats in the last couple of weeks. If you want to call us and get with our finance director, Bradley, call him. We can set you up. That way we can work with your payment, whether you want to put this much down, that much down. We've actually been surprising some people. You don't have to put as much down as you think. And with these newer coaches like the ones behind us, we can stretch out your payment for 20 years and make it very affordable.
Yeah, some great opportunities for someone looking to get in the highest quality 36-foot diesel pusher on the road. And I know you're a huge fan of Newmar product as well. So if you're looking to sell your Newmar, Jared is putting top dollar on trades, Dutch Stars, Ventanas, New Aires, King Air, Essex, London Air, all of it.
Yeah, the whole Aire program. I promise you, there's a reason why we buy over 100 a month. We ain't the cheapest, I can promise you that. We will pay the money for them.
Yeah, how many Dutch Stars did you recently buy?
Just this month alone, we bought over 25 Newmar products.
We're only 3 weeks through the month, so you're buying a Newmar a day, every day, basically.
Yeah, absolutely, every day.
Awesome. Well, I'll leave your websites in the description below. So RVSelectSales.com is where you can see their inventory. Now, a lot of stuff is coming and going, and a lot of coaches get sold before they ever get listed. So if you have a specific coach that you're looking for, I recommend getting in touch with one of Jared's sales team and let them know exactly what you're looking for. And you may be able to cherry pick all these coaches they're buying. And then if someone's looking to sell their coach, you can check out RVSelectInc.com. That's a completely different division that all those guys are doing is just buying coaches.
Yeah, we have a whole different department for that.
Awesome. Well, I'm going to leave all that in the description below. Jared, really appreciate your time today, sir.
Thank you guys, and we appreciate you following along. We look forward to meeting you in person.
Yeah, thanks again. Hope you're all having a great day.